Alright, so what's up guys, Paul here, back with another video. So today I just got something, okay, I just had that come in and I thought why not make a video on this thing, okay. So well, let's dive right in. What we are talking about today is this thing, alright. See that? This thing. This thing. Alright. It's a phone from Lava. As you can see here, it says Sparks i7. Okay. Sparks i7. It has a 1200 milliampere battery. It has a MP3 and 4 audio video player. Alright, it has a Bluetooth and internet supporter. I'm not finding anything about the camera. You can see here there is a camera, but I don't know. There is nothing about the camera which I was really wanting to see. Okay, so what we have here is one handset, one battery, one charger, one earphone, one user's manual. Okay, I got it. Let's just get in. Oh, whoa. We have here possibly power cable. Alright, then yeah, as promised from Lava, we have an earphone. Okay, can you expect something better? We have some highly qualified paperwork here. This as well, as promised. I hope I don't have to read that all to go through this. Okay. Oh. Come on, stand up for the camera. Come on. Okay, anyway. Whoa. Okay. Wow. So, can you guess a little more? Whoa. Is that a scratch I can see there? That's a scratch. That there is a scratch. Okay, anyways. Let's just boot this up, and there is nothing here about the camera as well. Right, this guy is going on. Ooh. I wish I don't have to wear sunglasses for this. Okay. Well, so I am in the camera. Alright. So as you can see for yourself how great the camera is. Alright. I am not going to describe it. So well, yeah, that's the that's the actual reason I went through this. Okay, and well, let's connect this to the Wi-Fi. Nope, I don't think so. There is Wi-Fi in this. There is no Wi-Fi in this. Internet facility. I don't know which kind of internet facility. Okay, whatever. Let's just how do we get this thing opened up? Does Lava provide a you know, specialist for this, I don't know. I think I'll have to just straight get into it. Alright, I don't know about this. I'm really not sure. I'm nervous. Oh god. Okay, so yeah, that big one, this one really is sufficient for 1200 milliampere. It's a 3.5 volt battery, and you can see the motherboard right in there. Okay, great. So there's SIM card 1 port here, SIM card 2 port here. SIM card 1 port is vertical and SIM card 2 is horizontal. Can you see that? Okay, and I'm guessing, where does the micro SD card go? Where does it go? It does not go. Oh yeah, right here. Right here. There is a micro SD card right under the SIM card 1. So this is really, I don't know. This thing is like, oh well, awesome. I don't know what to call it. Can you see the speaker right up there? Can you see that? It's so big. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, from lava,